Welcome to Pericast. If you're a budgie lover or looking to learn more about these amazing little birds, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more expert advice, bird care tips, and fascinating facts about budgies. In today's episode, we explore the captivating world of budgie color and mutation. Budgies are not only beautiful and intelligent birds, but they also come in a dazzling array of colors and patterns due to various mutations. These mutations are a result of genetics, and they give budgies their unique, vibrant feather displays. Whether you've just adopted your first budgie or are a seasoned owner, understanding the different colors and mutations can help you appreciate these birds even more. In this episode, we'll break down the most common color mutations in budgies, how they occur, and the genetics behind their stunning feather patterns. We'll also talk about how to care for budgies with different colorations and what to consider when choosing a budgie based on its appearance. What you'll learn in this episode: understanding budgie genetics. First, we'll take a look at the basics of budgie genetics. We'll explain how different mutations occur and how they influence a budgie's physical traits like feather color, markings, and overall appearance. If you've ever wondered why some budgies look different from others, this segment will give you the answers. The different types of budgie colors. Budgies come in a wide variety of colors, from bright greens and yellows to blues, whites, and even purples. We'll discuss the most common natural and selective colors found in budgies, including green and yellow, blue-white albino lutino, cinnamon violet. We'll cover what makes each color unique and how these colors can appear in different combinations on your budgie. Popular budgie mutations. There are many exciting and beautiful mutations that give budgies their distinctive looks. Some of the most popular mutations include albino mutation, lutino mutation, cinnamon mutation, violet mutation, spangle mutation, opaline mutation, dark factor mutation, clear body mutation. We'll go over the characteristics of each mutation and what makes them stand out. If you've ever wondered how these mutations are passed down through generations, we'll break down the basics of budgie inheritance and genetics. How mutations affect feather patterns. Mutations don't only affect the colors of a budgie, they can also influence the feather patterns and markings. We'll explain how the wing markings, head spots, and body markings can vary depending on the mutation, and how these patterns play a role in the bird's overall appearance. Genetic inheritance in budgies. Want to know how different mutations are passed down? In this segment, we'll dive into how the genetics of budgies work, including dominant and recessive genes. Whether you're breeding budgies or just curious about how certain traits appear in your pet, this part of the podcast will give you a solid understanding of budgie genetics. How to identify mutations in your budgie. If you're not sure what type of budgie you have, don't worry. We'll walk you through how to identify the color and mutation of your budgie based on its feathers, markings, and physical traits. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to spot different mutations and understand what makes your budgie unique. Caring for budgies with different colors and mutations. While budgie mutations are mostly aesthetic, some color variations may affect how well the bird handles light or heat. We'll give you tips on how to care for budgies with specific mutations, including ensuring they're comfortable in their environment. For example, some lighter-colored budgies may be more sensitive to the sun, so understanding how their appearance affects their needs can help you provide a better home for them. The impact of mutations on budgie health. While mutations can lead to stunning color and pattern variations, some mutations can also be linked to health conditions. We'll talk about the potential health concerns that can come with certain mutations, such as vision issues in albino budgies or respiratory problems in certain genetic lines. We'll also share tips on how to ensure your budgie stays healthy regardless of its mutation. Why understanding budgie color and mutation is important. Understanding the color and mutation of your budgie can help you better care for them. It's not just about the aesthetics. Knowing their genetic makeup can give you insights into their behavior, health, and even how to set up their living environment. Whether you're breeding budgies or just want to appreciate your pet's beauty and uniqueness, this knowledge will enhance your experience as a budgie owner. Don't forget, if you enjoyed learning more about budgie colors and mutations, please like the video and subscribe to Pericast for more fun and educational content.